You know what it is. It's falling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on the concrete. It's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James. A modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition. Diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes. We were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling. We're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys. Giddy up, gone, boys. 18 wheels on.
What's up, guys? Junior here, working on the Orange Pete today. I'm adding some lights underneath the dash right now. I kind of already started and I forgot to record. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've done so far and what I'm going to do. And I'll keep you updated. And look who just showed up. Jorge. Hey. Alrighty, guys. Now back to what I was doing. Like I said, I already started adding the lights. I already kind of fucked everything up. So I'm just going to show you what I did so far. There's a light there. It's going to be on the panel, the kick panel underneath. Little 3/4 inch light there. Let me go around and show y'all what else I got going on right now. We're gonna do a walk around on that, guys, very soon. Stay tuned for that. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, this is what I used. Little step drill bit thing. I don't know what it's called. Comes in handy. I added one under there and under there for now. I wanted to put something under here, but there's no way to get my drill under there. It's too narrow, so I'm not gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna have to come up with something else, maybe an LED strip or something. I don't know, I'll see. So like I said, currently I'm wiring. I'm wiring everything. I just ran the wires. I have a spare switch, 2 spare switches. I got 2 spare switches here that I'm using. I got power from a power wire, and then I got the other 2 wires. Right now I ran through the dash for that side. I'm still gonna go ahead and run these up. These are easier, so that's why I left these for last. And then yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect everything up, and I'll keep you posted. Come on. Back. I already ran the wires. I already ran the lights. Kind of already finished, but I feel like it's too dark over there, so I'm taking that part of that apart so that I can add one somewhere under there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but got these. I added another one here and that one. Johnny's home. What about us? Okay, let me see how. Show you how it looks. On, and I got one under there. Cool. Now I just want to add one over there, so that it'll be completely lit up underneath. So I'll see what's up. I'll keep y'all posted. Alrighty, guys, finished the lights. Cleaned up a little bit already. There's one over there. So yeah, Johnny, every time hit the switch.
Yeah. You ready?
Wait, hold on. See, it's just kind of clean, cool. All right, hit it. And then, bam, son. There's one there.
Can you see this one?
One there, one there. Oh yeah, you can see the other one over there too. And then this one. That's the one I added because it was kind of dark over there. And Johnny got me in trouble. He said I should have made it lower, but It is what it is. I already cut, so I can't cut back. And yeah, that's how it is, brother. I don't know what else we're gonna keep doing, and we'll keep you posted.
Cool.
Trying to get it in.
I didn't know you were recording.
By the way, guys, I painted this yesterday because it was like ugly. I didn't like it, and I couldn't find the color I wanted at the chrome shop, so I just did it. Can you put some light on it, bro, so you can see the fleeks? It's like a jawbreaker. You can kind of see it.
See it or no?
Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Cool, you're good. Yeah, did a quick project. Didn't record it, I forgot. Got in trouble by this guy.
Alright guys, check it out. It is done. It's not dark yet, but just so you guys can see what it looks like. Cool. Alright guys, what's up? We're currently, as you can see, underneath the truck. Got the hood open. I'm underneath the truck. We're installing the more bars on the truck. Adding 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We currently have, as you can see, 1 installed. And no, I'm showing them the bar. So yeah, and I'm currently on the ground. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this right quick. It's pretty simple, so yeah. Alright guys, now there's 1 bar. We just finished putting it in. That's what she said. But yeah, there's that, and we're gonna be putting another one here, here, and here. So it's kind of close, sorry. But I'm pretty sure you can be able to tell once I close the hood. Oh, there it is. We ordered these. As you can tell, they're a little short. They're supposed to get to the end here, and they're not even over here. They're a little off. It's about a finger off on each side. Yeah, a little bit more than a finger. But these were originally they said for a Peterbilt, but now that we read the description properly, they're for a 379, not a 389, so that's why it's a little shorter. So we're just gonna put these on for now since we already have them, and we're gonna order new ones, the ones that actually fit. And yeah, just want to show you right quick and what we were doing. So yeah. All right, we got the second bar up. My brother, that's my brother George. George is currently putting the bolt. My brother George is currently putting in the nut on the other side. As you can see, where the fuck is it? Oh, there he is. There's a big ass hand.
Trying to get my nut in.
Trying to get his nut in. And yeah. Alright, and second one's in. Now the third one. And let's get it done right now. And there it is. There it is. One more. And there we go. Alright guys, just finished up. As you can see the bars. And now drop the hood and see how it looks. Alright, let's check it out. No, no creo, está muy lejos. ¿Tú crees? It's a tight fit. Cool.
Oh yeah, it looks good, you know.
The one in the middle looks a little.
Oh, because it's thick.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. That's that. Let us know what y'all think. As you can tell, they're, like I said, they're a little smaller, but just for now, because they're gonna go to waste if we don't use them. So yeah, let us know what y'all think. Let us know if y'all like it, or if we should go back to normal. Cool. Alright guys, check it out. It's a little bit later in the day. We're still here at the yard 'cause we had some shit to do. But we were kind of waiting also to see what it would look like. So this one. Bam.
Cool.
Yeah, close the door.
Okay, that looks cool. Looks good, bro.
Okay. Cool.
Orange.
Looks good. It's a lot brighter.
Yeah, hell yeah.
That's that, guys. That's how the lights came out. Let us know what you guys think. Pretty cool. Now it's not dark in here.
It's not bright enough. But at least it's not dark.
Yep.